Good mid-morning, everyone. Been out here kind of picking up around the church grounds here. Checking on. We had, first off, hope everybody's doing good. Hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas. And I hope the new year brings in goodness for everybody. I hope everybody does good. I'm looking at something over there. Ain't nothing. I hope everybody has a wonderful new year. And, hey, we gotta keep our preps up. Hold on just a minute. I gotta go through my pack. Got a few things I gotta shuffle around here. All right. Shoot, I gotta dump that trash too. All right. I'm gonna go into. I usually hang out. My wife's at work. Hang out in the kitchen at the church. Check everything out. We have a school here, and a Christian academy, and we had computers a while back. Not that old, actually. Down there. Needless to say, I think it was 6 computers, towers and screens and all the accessory stuff was stolen from church. So I don't know what to say about that. It's hard to. I've never stolen anything, so I don't know. I really don't know how to express my feelings on that. It is sad in a way. It really is. But we'll carry on. I don't know what they're going through as far as recovery for those, or maybe our insurance. I don't know. Anyway, it wasn't really a break-in. I think it's more like a breakout. We had some construction work going on here, and some doors were open and stuff, so it wasn't. It was an easy deal. Somebody had to know where they was, because they wasn't in the school, they was in the church during the construction. Anyway, donations and so forth donated new floors for this is our school area here. All the desks and the furniture and equipment and stuff was moved to the church for the new floor, and the kitchen too. Thank y'all. Y'all know who you are if you see this video. Yeah, it was long overdue, and we're so thankful for the donation. I mean, they donated new floors, the removal of the old carpet, and all that stuff. I mean, turnkey. It was awesome. And I think they're even going to do some in the bathrooms too, our main bathrooms. Yeah, we've been blessed, and we'll continue to be blessed. I was checking on the food pantry, and we had, I don't know, I didn't see this the other day, but we got like toothpaste and soaps and Band-Aids and a Prepper Dream. Now, this is all for Q-tips, dental flossers, shampoo and conditioners, Bibles, more soap, combs. We do that, there's even some fingernail emery boards, Kleenex, toothbrushes, blankets. And what really caught my eye, you know me, is these. These are so handy for a prepper, backpacker, bug out bag. So I'm not going to take it. Some more soap, toothpaste, flossers, little things like that that people don't necessarily need, but it's just a comfort of saying, hey, I got this. You know, there's a lot of people that are in dire need of, boy, that's a emery board right there and a half right there. Man. Fingernail clippers. They say toenail clippers, but you know me. Why get two? I don't, boy, that's a fancy looking. What in the world? 2-in-1. Now, I ain't never seen one of those. Huh, cuticle and nail cutter. Got a bunch of those. I'm more on the toenail because it serves dual purpose and it's heavy. Cut cordage and stuff. Food pantry looking okay. What surprises me is we haven't had that big of a turnout for groceries and, you know, stuff like this. I don't know. And that maybe they're doing better off and they're doing good, and that's always what we hope for. People always need a little help to get down the road, you know. Depression sets in, and how they going to provide for themselves or their kids or their family, their parents or their, you know, significant others, and you know. It's this time of year creates more depression than I guess any time of the year other than tax season. You know, that's going to cause depression. But Christmas and this time of year, a lot of cases of depression, you know, and it's sad to say. And the time that we need to be thankful for the birth of Jesus. And yet there's so many people depressed and thinking about how can I get presents for my kids, how can I celebrate, and A lot of people like myself are laid off this time of year, and I could be laid off for another month. I could be laid off for 2 months. I don't know. I'm glad to be home. I got a little side job. I do handyman work, and and we do good. I mean, we're doing good. But I hope everybody's doing good. I hope everybody's doing good. Uh, if you if you're holding in things that you want to talk about and it's just balled up inside, you need to get it out. I'm serious. You need to get it out. You don't need to be just letting it build up. A lot of pressures, and society puts pressure on everybody. And believe it or not, you have to separate yourself from society. That's it. Uh, One thing I do not do after about 6 o'clock or so, I do not talk about bills. I do not talk about things. I do not talk about things that are going to bring stress. Because when I go to sleep, I want to think about setting up a tent. I want to think about my bug out bag. What can I do to make it better? I don't know if it can go through one of my bags. And one thing I'm going to put in there is a Bible. I didn't have a Bible in that one. And funny thing is, there's plenty of Bibles around. Free. You just ask. There's, nobody will go hungry if you put your pride aside and ask. I will help anybody. Anybody. You don't nobody go hungry. And there's so much food around here. People say, oh, well, shelter, bear, and all this, but you can find stuff to eat. If you can't, I guarantee you, if you comment, if you're seeing this video and you're not a subscriber, subscribe. And I guarantee you, if you tell me what area you're in, I'll find you some food. All you gotta do is comment. And we'll find you some food. Don't be so proud that you go hungry. No, that's not in the land of the plentiful. Even to this day, even though COVID wrecked our world, create havoc, additional stress, unneeded stress, we need to learn to separate that and put that aside and focus on our direct needs. Now, I ain't worried about everybody else, but whenever it comes down to me and my family, that's my main focus. I can't help anybody if we are hungry. If we don't have our basic needs, I can't help anybody. So that's what you gotta do. Gotta take care of yourself, build yourself up, build your family up, and then you can go out and help those immediately around you, your family members, what have you. Then you can help them, but you gotta take care of yourself. You gotta take care of yourself. You gotta take care of number one. CR, computer crash. I've had that happen a few times, and it ain't fun. Oh man, I hate that for you, buddy. I hate that for you. This is Sea Life. I got to catch up on with you guys. I have, like I said, I've been focused on me and my family. So I have not taken time out for social media. That's just the way you got to do. And if it offends other people, can't help you. Sorry. I am going to make that my main focus. Even in the situation that crap hits the fan, you got to take care of you and your family, your immediate circle first. Wade through whatever's going on and just focus. And then you can branch out. Hear me on this, people. I'm serious, real serious. And I'm thankful for all my subscribers, even though I ain't put out a lot of stuff out. But hopefully I will. If things get where I get a little bit more free time, or I'm not having to do hustle, do stuff, I'll spend more time. And I'm going to, I promise. I just gotta take care of, number one, our family. So, guys, I hope, like I said, I hope everybody's doing good. If you're not a subscriber and you happen to watch this video and you're just struggling and your pride is getting in the way, leave me a contact information, or leave me a comment or something, and I'll help you get through it the best I can. I can help. I can find places in your area. Believe me, I can find places in your area that can help. Food, things like that. So, let's keep plugging on into the new year. It's right there at our doorstep, knocking in. Take care of people. I hope everybody's doing good. I think that and pray that every day. Everybody's doing good. CR, I'll catch up with you on your videos, and this is C Life, and everyone. Thank y'all. And plug on, and I'm gonna go through my bag. See y'all.